guys, James and Mark here with another mukbang. If you guys are new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Today we are super excited because I've been watching a lot of Korean mukbangers lately and they've been eating a lot of street food, and this is one of the things that I've been seeing is like these crab legs on like a charcoal grill. So we're kind of modifying that a little bit today, and Mark's doing his own spin on it.
So we actually cut off the thick part of the Alaskan king crab leg. And we have these segments and we're gonna grill it, baste it with some butter and soy sauce, and just eat it.
That sounds simple and delicious, and I am ready to go.
Let's go.
Okay.
So we already have the legs out, so let's just start the fire.
Legs out? Oh, I can't even do that. Oh, no. That's so bad. Okay.
Can I do it?
Oh, don't show. Go ahead, do it. Do it. Show off. I know that's the way you want to do it.
What? That's a...
Oh
no, edit. Don't include that. Okay, so we're turning on the... Oh, I don't even know how high. The residual fat that's still inside the grill, that's still cooking off, I feel like, yeah.
Cheers.
So the good thing about these crabs is already cooked.
Yeah. So
But,
we
it's,
don't have to worry about
it's
it.
cooked, but it's frozen.
When you go to like a seafood buffet, do you prefer getting your crab legs like hot or the chilled one that's on ice?
Depends on my mood.
Really?
Yeah.
I always like it hot.
Sometimes like when you're grabbing the cocktail shrimp with the other like cold seafood, you kind of also want a cold piece of crab meat too.
Well, that's true.
Right?
Yeah, yeah. So when do you get to start basting it?
We could start basting it now.
I'm ready for my reality
I am
cam.
Picasso today. Here's my paintbrush. Here's my paint. So let's just do this. So we cut a slit in each of these legs.
Yeah.
Because I'm thinking that it will soak up all the butter.
Ooh. Dinner and a show, guys.
I know.
Be careful.
No, the thing is, butter is gonna start the fire, but then it also burns quickly. So I'm not that concerned that it will catch on fire. How about that?
Like, we don't have to worry like the pork belly situation.
No, because the pork belly, like, it keeps dripping and dripping more like pork fat.
Yeah.
So that's dangerous situation, but...
Oh my God. Guys, it's so glistening. It looks like a golden filter has been applied to it, and it's just saying, eat me.
I wonder if we went suntanning with Kerrygold butter on our body, that we would become golden tan, like a beautiful golden tan.
Do I get to rub the Kerrygold butter all over you?
As long as you don't eat me.
No, I can't guarantee you that. Actually, when you said that the paintbrush is like, you're gonna do artwork, whatever, I was thinking, save the butter that's left and brush, and we'll just lay out some saran wrap in the bedroom. Does that work?
I am not a canvas.
Yeah, I want to do some art.
I'm already a masterpiece. You are not supposed to make any modifications to me. We had 닭갈비 the other night with Tom and Sean, so like we were cooking that at the table. While we're cooking, we're like talking and drinking, so that was fun, right?
But do you think they're like, well, they invited us over for 닭갈비, but why weren't we invited over for king crab leg night?
Come over.
Don't come over.
Come over.
Oh yeah, there's a dilemma. There's only 5 legs, but 2 of us.
2 of us. I need you. I need you.
We're gonna get copyright claim now. Actually, never mind. It's so far off from the original. I don't think we have to worry.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, I have more evidence that like when we do our Monday Night Lives, like James busts out our karaoke mic and he starts singing like at least 10 songs. None of those videos got copyrighted. It's fun, huh?
I think the slit idea was a great idea, because you really make sure all that butter gets through every nook and cranny of the crab meat.
Soak it in.
And Mark bought 2 packages of the king crab legs from Costco, so we actually are going to stretch it out over maybe another meal or 2.
I wonder if I should rotate, because I feel like the middle
part might be. Is the color of the shells any different?
Oh. Oh. Yeah. It's
I don't know if you should like move things around, because that's when the butter like drips. Eyebrows are still here. Are yours?
Oh, this looks good. Oh, baby, like this is nothing compared to the pork belly
Okay.
yakitori. Do you want to do another round of butter before we do the soy sauce?
I'm gonna defer to you. Do you feel like this is enough butter?
I mean, is there
Is there a limit to butter?
Is there like is there such a thing to ask? Let's just
And-
do one like quick layer because more layers is good.
If butter was a mathematical function, the limit does not exist. Okay, what movie is that from?
I don't know, Mean Girls?
It's the only movie I ever quote, and every time you
I don't know. Sometimes you say Homa Pudon. That's not Mean Girls.
Oh, okay, well, yeah.
I don't want to do too much, so I'm gonna just make sure that I'm
nervous that your hand is just.
Oh. Well, I'm supposed to do every other, huh?
Yeah.
And then this last one.
Guys, it looks phenomenal right now. Ooh.
Okay.
The heat is starting to make the legs kind of move. Can you see it?
Yeah,
this one's like
yeah,
kind of like
it's,
beating,
it's like
little...
beating.
Did we pick out the whole thing, the entire? Oh.
Yeah. Some of the pieces might have the cartilage still in it, so be careful. Oh my gosh. You got it?
Yeah. Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm going in for it because
It might be hot though. Oh my god.
you can't see that face that I just made.
Oh my god, it's like it reminds me of Japan because of the soy sauce, no?
Mmm.
Mmm.
Mmm. Oh my god.
Mm.
I definitely get that. Like, we literally went up to a street vendor and we bought one leg.
You know
and-
what? Like next time we do Alaskan king crab boil, whatever, and usually we steam it. Let's not do that anymore. Let's eat it like
This
this.
is so good.
It's so good like this. Mm.
Okay, can you not judge me?
What?
I
You want more butter?
remember the limit does not exist. Just leave it right here. No one needs to see how much I'm dipping.
Can I? Where's the reality cam?
No!
I don't think it needs any more butter because we layered it so much. But whatever makes you happy.
It makes me happy. I'm thinking of, there's all this juice. I might, remember that one time we went to a restaurant and we ate bone marrow. And so you eat all the bone marrow and then there's a little bit of like leftovers and then they take a shot and it's like a luge and they pour it down the bone marrow and then you just drink it like that.
Do we have vodka? We have chami. We have soju. Okay.
Mmm. That's really good.
Oh, eat these like side. This. Try this piece.
What is there? These?
Yeah. It has. It's like it gives it another creamy texture flavor. Right?
Oh my god. Just that little bite with like 3 bowls of rice would be amazing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, this one. Oh, this one had the cartilage. Oh.
Mm.
That's a big piece.
There was one that was really large. It must have been that one, huh? Earlier, I was just like, that claw looks like the size of the entire crab.
Yeah. Oh, we should had a bowl of rice. That would be good, huh?
Well, we do have more crab that we're gonna eat off camera. Man, this is so good. I don't remember. I mean, I know king crab's good, but I don't remember it being this tasty. And I have to admit, sometimes the Costco crab legs on an off day could be very salty. This is like sublime. I don't even know what that word means, but I think that's what you use for this.
It's a 90s band.
Well, I know that.
No, it didn't have soy sauce in it. And it's just as good. Huh.
Oh. I feel, not that I didn't like the soy sauce one, but I feel, even though I just dipped in butter, I feel like I really taste the crab.
The crab, yeah. The one with the soy sauce, it reminds me of like the Suzuki market, the fish market. I mean, like the street food with the big scallops shell and the crabs. Like that's what it tastes like to me, you know? I felt like it was Japan. Oh. Should we try the chummy shot now?
You were the one that was all for it. Now I feel like you're backpedaling.
Who's gonna go first?
I go first, and if it's a mess, then you can opt out. That's how much I love you. No, I feel like this is a bad idea. This seems dangerous. Which one should we do it with?
Maybe this one. Maybe, but do you want? I don't know.
Do the one where it'll go down my throat easier.
This one looks pretty straight. No.
Okay. All right. So how do we do this? I'm just gonna go
this mouth end right there.
Tell me when to get in position.
Okay, position. Keep it straight, and then as I fill it up, and then you could pour it. How about that? Yeah. Okay. How was it? Good?
Yeah. That was good.
Do I get a fresh piece?
Get a fresh piece so that
Oh, I wanted more though.
Well, it started dripping the other way.
Oh, this is good.
If tomorrow all of a sudden there's like 50 videos of people doing shots out of a crab leg, I'm gonna be livid.
That is good. It's okay.
I mean, at this point, just drink out of the bottle.
No, because the residue of the crab meat juice, it was good with the chummy.
What did we talk? What did we say about the word residue?
Oh,
it's still good.
It's still good.
So should we just make like a crab flavored soju? I might be all over that actually. That's not a bad idea.
Oh my gosh.
Here, fine. Do it to this one because I see a lot of butter in this one, and I don't care if it gets messy. Which way do I hold it? It's better.
I think the skinny, yeah, maybe that side because there's the little. Oh.
We're done here. We are done. That was delicious. Let's do word of the day. I feel like people might be missing that a little bit, and we haven't done it in a while. So
Tunnel.
if you watched up to this part of the video, use the word tunnel, like
Tunnel.
Mark just said, and give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys for our next food adventure. Bye.
Bye.